Oh shoot, I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna have to upload this one. I accidentally dropped it when I said Luigi boy.
Are likely. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sun. And check up on relatives and neighbors. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. The following statement is for the following areas in Oregon: Cascade Foothills in Lane County, Lower Columbia, Northern Oregon Cascade Foothills, and South Willamette Valley, and the following areas in Washington, Lower Columbia, and I-5 corridor in Cowlitz County, South Washington Cascade Foothills, and South Washington Cascades. Heat advisory remains in effect until 11 p.m. Thursday. Maximum temperatures 91 to 97 degrees Wednesday and Thursday.
So if you guys know what time it's gonna start, put in the comments
between
below.
3 and 6 p.m.
Any EAS fans if you're watching this,
Minimum temperatures 57 to 64 degrees, but nighttime cooling will be slow with temperatures remaining above 70 degrees as late as midnight. The coolest temperatures will occur around 5 a.m. Impacts: the heat and humidity may cause heat stress for sensitive groups, those without air conditioning, livestock, and pets. A heat advisory means that a period of hot temperatures is expected. Hot temperatures will create a situation in which heat-related illnesses are possible. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sunshine, and check up on relatives and neighbors.
Yes.
Hourly weather observations at 10 a.m. Astoria, it was cloudy.
He was cloudy.
Temperature 58
So I think
degrees.
the
Wind calm. Pressure 29.94 inches and falling. Newport, cloudy. Temperature 55. Wind north at 3. North Bend, cloudy. Temperature 59. Wind north at 3. Pressure 29.99 inches and steady. Seattle, mostly sunny. Temperature 78. Wind variable at 3. Portland, cloudy. Temperature 74. Wind variable at 3. Pressure 29.91 inches and falling. Scappoose, sunny. Temperature 72. Wind variable at 3. Hillsboro, sunny. Temperature 75. Wind south at 3.
It's gonna start in a
Salem,
minute.
sunny. Temperature 74. Wind calm.
Any second now.
Pressure 29.91
Any second
inches
now.
and falling.
Any second
Palm
now.
Valley, sunny. Temperature
It's gonna be
68.
weird, guys.
Wind calm. Eugene,
Any second
mostly
now.
sunny. Temperature 69. Wind southwest at 7. Pressure 29.94 inches and steady. Roseburg, sunny. Temperature 71. Wind southwest at 3. Medford, smoke. Temperature 75. Wind calm. Troutdale, sunny. Temperature 75. Wind calm. The Dalles, sunny.
Remember to
Temperature
smile,
80.
guys.
Wind calm. Pressure 29.88 inches and falling. Pendleton,
What
sunny.
is this?
Temperature 84.
It's like a bowling ball.
Wind variable at 5. Pressure 29.92 inches and falling. Redmond, smoke. Temperature 81.
This is taking a while.
Wind calm. Forecast for the greater Portland and Vancouver metro area.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! That's what I thought about. Required weekly test.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Portland, Oregon. The preceding was a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather on the day of the test, it will be postponed until the following week. This concludes this test. We now return to our regular programming. Heat warning in effect.
That was nice. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.